nuts when the bass go boom, 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 boom.
Hello guys, today's video is going to be on how to make these custom chip bags. I made these chip bags for my needs, my favorite cartoons, videos I love to watch, my favorite star. So let's get into the design process. First, create an A3 size drawing board on the Photoshop software with a width of 42 centimeters and a height of 29.7 centimeters. Press Command N on Mac computer and Control N on Windows. After creating the drawing board, we use the rectangle tool on the left toolbar to draw 3 rectangles. The height is 29.7 centimeters, and the length you cut from the left and right equals the width of the middle rectangle. That is, the left width and the right width you cut combined equals the middle width, which is 42 centimeters. And the total width of the two cannot be larger than the middle one. After calculation, the left and the right widths are 10.5 centimeters and the middle width is 21 centimeters. We arrange the drawing rectangles in the order of 10.5 centimeters, 21 centimeters, and 10.5 centimeters. At this time, it is the tiled perspective of our photo chip bag after unfolding. We can drag our favorite high-definition pictures into the software and place the upper part of the drawing board is used as the background. And the size is adjusted to 42 times 29.7 centimeters. The size of Mac computer is Command T. On Windows system is Control T. Sometimes the shape of our picture is different from the shape of the drawing board. At this time, we can use the rectangular marquee tool to select the redundant part and delete it. Finally, we can operate on the A3 drawing board, place other materials, enter some copywriting, place barcodes, ingredients list, etc., and adjust the position by yourself. The DIY design of a photo chip bag is complete. Trim around your edges, all except one side. Use double-sided tape on the one side that you did not trim. Use double-sided tape on the middle section, both top and bottom. Press with both hands.